Hi friends, एग्ज़ाम ओवर, मे बी रिलीफ और मे बी टेंशन कि क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ, कितना नहीं हुआ. So before we start preparing solutions and producing video solutions, answer key, let me analyze paper for you. I have seen this paper and the feeling of this paper is, I'll share one by one. सबसे पहले तो मैं एक चीज़ देख रहा हूँ कि again as usual the pure topic real modern linear complex has good weightage. Even if I remove topology and number theory, the distribution is like algebra 34.5 marks, analysis 56 marks, linear 50 marks, complex 28 marks. More important here, in analysis, this is, you'll find strange. In real analysis, there are questions, so many questions based over concept of sequence and series only. I am considering sequence and series of functions as well. See the questions, summation 1 by n part मेरे पास सेट B है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, 23, 25 मैं पार्ट सेक्शन B की बात कर रहा हूँ, बुकलेट B की बात कर रहा हूँ. 22 series, 23 again sequence of functions, 25, 26, 27, and then here again 39. Of course 37 can be taken as a, though it is a complex but power series of complex numbers, and here and parts C you'll find again question 61 lambda n, question number 34, 75, 76, 77, again Taylor series, 78, uniform convergence. So there are more than 13 questions only on the concept of sequence and series of functions. Take it in complex out in real. In complex there is one question of power series. So many questions over one single concept of sequence series of real numbers or of functions. This reflects a bit imbalance of a question distribution, section wise या कहें कि concept wise. एक तो मुझे ये दिखाई पड़ा इस क्वेश्चन पेपर में कि जो क्वेश्चंस का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है एक कॉन्सेप्ट पे थोड़ा टिल्ट हो गया. दूसरा एक अजीब चीज मुझे दिखाई दी है, जो यूनिट 1 है हमारे सिलेबस की वो लीनियर अलजेब्रा और रियल एनालिसिस की है, और यूनिट 2 है वो है मॉडर्न अलजेब्रा एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स एनालिसिस. हियर आई एम सीइंग 2 क्वेश्चन इन यूनिट 2. One is 39th question and 35 questions. Again booklet B, मैं 35 बता देता हूँ. 35 कहता है कि if R is f is function continuous function from R to R and then choose the right statement. This is core real analysis question. And similarly 39, fx equal to summation log n x power n, a n is given log n, it's a power series and radius of convergence is asked. Radius of convergence we can study in complex, in real, anywhere. But here it is core question of real analysis fx. So again these two questions they are asked on the cost of complex analysis. These two can be easily replaced by some good question of complex analysis. So because of this some good concept of complex analysis are missing. Similarly I am seeing the questions I have seen, I have shared the distribution. These two questions if I include in complex, because as in complex we know if a function is entire then it is bounded over any compact any bounded subset of C. Similarly, a function which is continuous on R has to be bounded on any compact subset or any bounded subset, not compact, any bounded subset of R. This simple straightforward statement which is connecting in real as well in complex. So that question which is asked for the sake of complex analysis is basically of real, but if you study complex you can solve that question as well. So there is no harm as such. But the main thing about this question paper is the questions are straightforward, asked to the point, concept wise. Given matrix, eigenvalues, given quadratic form, value class of quadratic form, given sequence, either limit is asked or limit superior limit inferior is asked. given series and the condition for convergence is asked. Again, this kind of question, that summation a to the power log n, which we can write log a, and in this way, this was asked earlier as well. Another question, if I say sin x upon x, f of x equal to then 1, this 12th standard question again, in which they are asking limit or continuity and differentiability of this question. Another question was tan inverse x and its Taylor series, Taylor's expansion, and then the various coefficients of that expansion are asked. In terms of ring are basic ring theory or group theory, they are asking group of order 125. If you are a student of group theory, that is as simple as any other question. They are asking whether given ring of polynomial is ED, PID, or I think they have asked PID. So this again is straightforward. So as a whole, the majority of questions are asked to the point, straightforward over the concept. There is no twisting of concept. There may be one or two questions which always happens, but there are almost 130 marks questions which are straightforward. 130 marks questions. If you are a student of pure mathematics, prepared normally or above average way, then you can always find 130 marks questions of your own arena which are to the point. You know the concept, apply concept and find the answer. But it's not everyone can attempt 100% accurately whatever his domain is. So I am saying 130 marks, of course it is of your domain, but if I include negative marking or silly mistake and all those, still you can score 120, 115 in this vicinity. So this was the paper idea of. There was a question which asked as a number between 900 and 999, which are not multiple of 3 or not multiple of 5. This kind of question can be asked in general mental ability, but not the part of mathematics. So this is some misfit question. Now the main keyword which you are always worried about, what is going to be cut off. The paper is relatively easy as compared to the previous years papers. मुझे लग रहा है कि जो मैंने not on the basis of how my team or I am able to understand the problem, but general perception asking my so many students which has just they come, question paper is relatively easy. As I said कि concept basis है, डाइट करो और हो जाता है. दूसरी चीज जो है इसमें कि easy है तो कट ऑफ में क्या फर्क पड़ेगा. मैं यहाँ एक चीज रिकॉल कराना चाहूंगा कि बीच में फेसबुक पे कुछ एक वीडियोस आए थे, कुछ लोग कुछ स्टूडेंट थे जिन्होंने इस चीज को उठाया था, जिसका रिजल्ट देखने को मिला शफलिंग एंड ऑल, कि रोल नंबर आगे पीछे करे, कुछ लोगों ने ऐसा किया था. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज रियलिटी इन दैट, बट स्टिल दिस टाइम दे हैव शफल्ड क्वेश्चन student seating arrangement, which my students said ki they were here and there. So in this way, congratulations to CSIR ki they have provided the transparency in the examination. Question paper, so far I haven't found any single question which is incorrect. In one question I am finding that they might have missed one word. I'll give you in the solution, and I expect they will answer this also. In my opinion, that is not the answer, but they will answer what I expect in algebra ring theory again. So cutoff, what I say, is not going to increase this time. Don't wonder even if it is lower than the previous exam, because of that transparency and the certain things which I have a gut feeling in that sense. It is not going to increase. It may be lower or may be same, but what I believe is not going to increase. So all the best. अभी एग्जाम दे के आए, enjoy कीजिए, मस्त रहिए, मूवी देख के आइए, and if you have prepared well, definitely you have performed well. You may not be satisfied, but if you have prepared well, going to get through. All the best. Thank you.